the pink bow-toed dolphin, the most magical creature in the Amazon. She is asleep right now. If we disturb the water, if our ball splashes or rolls out of control, she wakes up, dives deep, and takes the trophy piece with her. We need to cross 5 lily pads to reach it. Skill number 1, toe taps. For toe taps, we need to use our toes, the very tips of our feet. Wiggle your toes right now. Feel the tips? Those are the ones. We tap the very tip of our toes lightly on top of the ball. Not a kick, just a tap, like testing a lily pad to make sure it will hold your weight before you step on it. Skill 2, the forward sole roll. And for this one, we are back to our old friend from Mexico. Which part of our foot do we use? The sole, the flat bottom. You already know this one. But instead of dragging back, we are rolling the ball forward. We use the sole because it is flat and gives us total control of direction. 5 lily pads. The piece is on pad 5. The dolphin is sleeping. Are you ready? The river is still. Go! Pad 1, toe tap. Right toes, left toes, it's safe. Sole roll to pad 2. Smooth, no splashing, beautiful. Pad 2, toe tap. Safe, the dolphin is snoring. Sole roll to pad 3. Oh, edge coming, drag back. Sole roll on top, pull it back. Perfect. She did not even stir. Pad 3, toe tap. Safe. Sole roll to pad 4. Smooth like the current. Toe tap. Careful. The dolphin is stirred. Soft touches. Stay completely still for a moment.
Game on.